Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the value-based questions of chapter, or you can say the poem. The trees are the kindest thing I have seen. Okay. So now, as already we have discussed a lot about the importance of trees, that how trees are important for us. So in the value-based question, the same thing is poet is asking, why does the poet call the trees kind? Choose from the following. So students, when you are going to read the all of the options, I think which are they gives us many things. They do not ask of anything in return. They don't harm anyone, and the last one is all of the above. When you are going to read the question and you will read the options available, you are going to make an option that conclusion that all the options uh, mentioned in the question is appropriate for showing the kindness of trees, because trees are the only thing which only used to grow and give their services throughout their life without demanding anything from the human beings. So your answer must be include all the options. So if you want to write my answer, I can only give you some clues, and I have discussed in the class, and I will try that I should give the written answer in the group, but still I'm explaining the answer. So if you want to write, and you can write like this, that trees are, the poet called the trees kind because they are the only which used to give us many useful things like fruit, vegetables, medicine, cereals, and the most important and the necessary thing is that they used to give us oxygen. And instead of their services, they never used to give demand anything from us. They never used to harm us, and uh, so the trees are the only thing in our surrounding which are the kindest one. Now the next one, the next question is, what do trees teaches us? The tree used to teach us that we should never expect anything for our services, and also we must always be polite towards everyone. These are the two lessons which we used to learn from the trees. Now on the next page, students, we will when we will move, we will find that a C section that will end up with the B section, and then C sections appears where you will find that the concept of museum is appeared. So many of you have visited museum and many of have not. So the before attempting this one, we must got to know what is a museum exactly. What is a museum? So students, museum is a place where the antique things have been kept. Antique means the old things, with the things which have are, or you can say that these are the stuffs which were earlier used by the men for their survival. So what we used to keep in the museum, if somebody will ask you what is a museum, your answer must be museum is a place where the old things, the antique things which used to relate us from, or which used to give us information about the places, the civilizations, the cultures which are earlier existing are kept. So now in a museum, what we have to do in this exercise, see what the question is asking, have you ever visited a museum? Write below the names of 5 things that you saw here. So I have given this one to the students to attempt first, so those who are watching this video, they will also attempt this exercise first. I can just only help you. See, when you are going to visit a museum, you will find there are the antique pieces are there. That antique pieces could be tools, stones, tree trunks, clothes, the weapons which are used earlier, the sculptures of goddess or goddesses. So there are so many things we are kept in a museum. So you have to write only 5 1 and you will attempt it first, and then on tomorrow's class I will give you the answers and you will match your answers with the answer given by me. Now in the next, that is C2, what we have to do, there is a story of or you can say it is a type of play where there are two characters conversation. The major characters are Meenu and Dino. So today I am giving the hard words of this chapter, that will be 10, and you are going to write and as well as learn the hard words. And tomorrow online class we will start this chapter. I will explain it and we will have the reading portions also. So before that I am going to give you the hard words, just note it down. So your first word will be museum. Hard words are mentioned where I am putting down my dot, that will be your hard word. So first is museum, second word is strange, third word is label, fourth is dinosaur, sixth is admires, seventh is hues, eighth is twinkling, ninth is attractive, 10th is suddenly. See, there may be more than 10. So if you find that some words are still difficult for you, you can add the words in your list. So now that's enough for today's video, and tomorrow we will start this chapter. I will read the dialogues as well as explain the dialogues. You are also going to join that reading sessions. So stay at home, stay fit.